Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix I forgot my Apple ID password. If you forgot your Apple ID password, keep watching the video until the end and follow all steps. Reset Apple ID password without phone number, without email verification and without Apple ID password. Tap on the settings, tap on the Apple ID and little bit scroll up to find sign out. Tap on it. You can see appears on screen Apple ID password. Enter the Apple ID password for to turn off Find My iPhone. Tap on forgot password. Wait 5 to 10 seconds. You can see appears on screen enter iPhone passcode. The passcode you use to unlock iPhone can also be used to reset your Apple ID password. Enter your iPhone passcode and wait 5 to 10 seconds. You can see appears on screen. Simply enter a new password. Enter your new password. Verify your password. Tap on, you can see. Tap on continue. You can see appears on screen your password has been changed. Now on use your new password to sign into your account. Tap on done. Wait 5 to 10 seconds. You can see if you want to sign out your Apple ID, enable. If you want to backup your iCloud contacts and each and everything, simply turn on and sign out your Apple ID and fix your problem. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix I forgot my Apple ID password and without phone number, without verification, without old password. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.